Today we will be seeing how to use Eclipse exception breakpoint feature. So what is this feature means that this Eclipse exception breakpoint feature will be stopping the execution at the line when an exception is being thrown. So this is pretty useful feature when we have a huge amount of code and we want to stop the execute and we want the execution to be automatically stopped at the line this exception is being thrown. So here to demonstrate that, so here I have a simple program. I I have got two numbers, number one and number two. This will be calling an add. So basically add is adding the two numbers and returning the result. So there is nothing any problematic here. But when we are actually seeing this division method will be dividing the number. But here there is a problem that we are doing a 10 by 0. So we know that the exception will be occurring here in this file. So we will be seeing this, Eclipse exception feature using this example. So to enable the Eclipse exception feature, we need to go to the debug section. I need to go to this. Here, go to the breakpoint. Here you will be seeing this add Java exception breakpoint. Click on this. So here, no, what the exception I want actually it be simply because everything is subclass of exception. So I can choose this exception and click on OK. Yeah. Now I'll be running this program. Debug is application. So if you see, this has automatically stopped here because we know that number one is 10 and number two is supplied as 0. Here it is causing a problem. Here it will be causing a problem. So yeah, if I continue the execution and exception will be thrown. Yeah, that's it. Thank you for watching.